she got all these bitches mad. See the type of girl a nigga wish he had. See the type that if you get it, you could brag. Lil' shawty got her own and I like that. Hit the mall, she ain't worried about the price tag. She got all these niggas out here tryna wipe that. And the little nigga tryna pipe that. I'm like, hey, what's up, hello. Seen your pretty face soon as you came in the door. I just wanna chill, got a set for us to roll. Married to the money, introduced you to my stove.
So I already went ahead and did my brows and primed my face and all of that off camera. So for foundation, I am using the Morphe foundation. Now this foundation itself is pretty matte, so I don't recommend using a primer that's like gonna have your face like really matte. And then if you try to put this foundation on top of that primer, you guys, your face is gonna be so patchy and just dry. Like, this foundation is so matte that it doesn't make any sense. I've never seen anything like this. And then I usually use my foundation, whatever foundation I'm using that day, to clean up the top part of my brows. So that's basically what I'm doing right now. And then I'm just going to blend everything out, and then we're going to move on to concealer.
I know that you're feeling me, and I be feeling you.
For concealer, I'm using the Tarte Shape Teak concealer, and this one is in Tan Sin. And I'm just concealing my under eyes, my chin area, my nose, and my forehead. Then to contour my face, I am using this foundation stick. This is by the Sephora brand, and it is a few shades darker than me. It does kind of look orange, but I'm using this to contour my face and just to give me that chiseled look. I'm just making my face look snatched, basically. And I do place this on the highest points on my cheekbones and also my forehead to kind of like make my forehead look a little small, because you guys, I really do have like a huge forehead, and I find like whenever I contour my forehead, it does look a lot smaller than it really is. And then of course I also contour my nose, and then we just blend everything out. I do use a brush to blend out the contouring shade, and then I use my sponge to blend out the concealer itself.
My body amazing, oh. My baby, oh. I will love you forever, oh. Girl, for your body, I'ma risk it. I'ma risk it. Chop your body, girl, like a biscuit. Like a biscuit. Oh yeah, that no, they do me.
To set the concealer, I'm using the Pretty Vulgar setting powder. This one is in translucent, and I believe I got this product from my BoxyCharm box.
Baby, I can smoke it all. Say now you I want to see when I wake up in the morning. Say now you I want to feel anywhere that I be going. Baby, make you ginger me, and I go ginger you. I know that you're feeling me, and I be feeling you. Baby, make you ginger me, and I go ginger you. I know that you're feeling me, and I be feeling you. So nobody better than you. I know. I say nobody proper than you. I know. Girl, one boy and reach your money, yo. Reach your money, yo. Them they feel you from London to SA. We can do it my way. Baby, make you ginger.
Then I'm also taking this Pretty Vulgar bronzer. I did get this in another BoxyCharm box. A lot of my Pretty Vulgar products are from my BoxyCharm boxes. So if you guys ever see me with Pretty Vulgar stuff, they're all from my BoxyCharm boxes. And I'm using this just to add a little bit more definition to my face and make that contour that we applied before really pop.
Oh, baby, I can smoke it all.
To highlight, I am using my old Anastasia Beverly Hills glow kit. This is like one of the first kits ever, and I am mixing these two shades together, and I'm just gonna apply this to the highest points of my cheekbones. I'm also gonna apply it down the bridge of my nose and on my chin, and on that little top part of my lips. I don't know what that's called, but yeah. Moving on to eyes, I am using the Eleman Zephre palette, and it does have like a mixture of like purples and pink inside. It's a really pretty palette, and the first shade that I'm taking is this champagne color right here. It does have like a hint of pink inside, and I am using this to highlight my brow bone. Also, I am using a flat eyeshadow brush to apply this. Next, I'm grabbing this shade right here, and I'm just going to be packing this on into my creases and blending it out.
Original, puffing on me high grade, sipping on me liquor. Girls, them a come, them a want, them a take her. Bad man, me a come in, me a wanna take her. Girls, them a come, them a want it on the nigga. I steady sipping on my liquor. Then I tell her me she give her, never trust another nigga. I say she give me on the nigga. Say she feeling on the nigga, say she want another nigga. I who's that? Baby, tell me who's that? Look back, baby, make you look back. I move that. Where you move that, touch that, baby, me just wanna touch that. Enter me radar.
Then I'm taking this pink shadow and I'm placing this directly above that burgundy shade that I applied before, and I'm just gonna blend everything out. This one serves as a transition color, so once you apply this, then you can go ahead and like blend everything out. As you can see now, I don't have any harsh lines there, and everything is just well blended together.
Can you feel up my fantasy? Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good time.
Now I'm just taking some concealer and doing a cut crease.
Say she give me pommy, yeah. In a yard, say she give me in a yard. Man a wine, say she give me dirty wine. Man a grind, say she give me dirty wine. Say, girls them a whining, them me grinding, I don't think so. Any man, them me looking at.
For my lids, I'm just grabbing this pretty shimmery shadow right here. And when I tell you guys, I did not expect this color to be so pigmented. But once I put it on my lids, I was like, oh my god, it's so beautiful. I couldn't get over it. And literally this shadow itself complemented the other colors so well. Everything just came together so beautiful, and I honestly could not be happier.
The only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere I go, I wanna be.
Then I just added some eyeliner. I did not do a full wing liner. I just did like the eyeliner part on my lids itself, and then I ended it there. Then afterwards I took this it was like a dark brown eyeshadow, and I just like smoked it out at the outer corners of my eyes. Then I pretty much added the same exact colors on the bottom half of my eyes, and yeah, then I added some mascara. I did my lips, and that was pretty much it for the look.
Standard. Body smoking like a cigarette. Oh, baby, I can smoke it out. Yeah. Say now you I want to see when I wake up in the morning. Say now you I want to feel anywhere that I be going. Baby, make you ginger me, and I go ginger you. I know that you're feeling me, and I be feeling you. Baby, make you ginger me, and I go ginger you. I know that you're feeling me, and I be feeling you. Girls, them are random. Me I fit to turn them down. Anywhere we go, see them be hating now. She carry you, her body amazing, oh. My baby, oh. I go love you forever, oh. Girl, for your body, I'ma risk it. I'ma risk it. Chop your body, girl, like a biscuit. Like a biscuit. Oh yeah, that come she jeje. No, they do me, she get. You wanna come move fair. Now you I want to. Body smoking like a cigarette. Oh, baby, I can smoke it all. Yeah. Say now you I want to see when I wake up in the morning.
Kidnap one of these Tide Pods that matches the way you look. Yep. It looks like the game bag. You're supposed to press it down. How? The top of it. Like pull it?
Like press it here. There's a child's lock on it. Oh my gosh.